What is love? I was unaware until you came in my life. You taught me the meaning of love. You taught me to live for someone so that you feel special in love. You taught me that love is an emotion that is truly selfless in life. Baby, I love you and I know it for sure. My love for you is true and it's pure. You know what? You are the most charming and wonderful person I know. I'm so lucky as I have found my true love. Your love has magical effect on me. It's every time that I see you. I feel so in bliss. Please stay this way forever in time. Baby, I want to seal your love with a loving kiss. You mean the world to me. You are my ecstasy. I love you. The language of love that you understand is something that makes me smile. You look into my eyes and you know what I feel when you look at me. You know what I want when you are with me. You know that I need you to complete me, my love, in every which way. Whether it is the night or it is the day, just have something to say, I love you. The day I saw you for the first time, I felt something. It was not love at first sight, but surely there was a strange kind of attraction towards you. Now that we are together, I know for sure that why I felt the way when I saw you. You are my soulmate and destiny, made ways to bring us together in life. I love you so much. The way I feel for you and with you, it's a magical feeling altogether. I'm so me when I'm with you. I can speak my heart and I can really do everything which is on my mind. There is a special feeling with you, though it's special, but still it is difficult to put in words. So I simply want to say that I love you. Whatever be the reason, where you go in time, one thing I will be sure that you are truly mine. I know that you are special. I know that I love you. And I also know the reason why I really do. You are my soulmate and my life, and I want you to be my wife. Baby, yes, it is a special feeling. Please be my wife. I love you so much.